Hi, my name is Jeremy and I'm with Colectica. In this video I will show how to open a SAS or .sas7bdat file in Microsoft Excel. If you don't already have the Colectica for Excel add-in installed, you can download and install it from Colectica.com. When the add-in is installed, a Colectica tab is available on the ribbon. To open a SAS file, just click the From SAS button. Then select the sas7bdat file that you want to open. Optionally, you can also select a sas7bdat file. These files contain extra metadata that can be imported. Colectica for Excel will add the data to your spreadsheet. The add-in also imports all the metadata that's stored in the SAS file. You can see this in the data documentation pane. When you select a column, no longer variable label is available in addition to just the column header. You can also use that data documentation pane to add richer metadata to each variable and to the dataset itself. For variables with value labels, you can click the code list to show what those values represent. To sum up, you can use the Colectica for Excel add-in to open and view SAS data files in Excel. Thank you.